Should the use of AI music be illegal? Is it replacing artists? And is it real music? Before we answer that, I've been seeing some stuff on my channel of people saying it should be illegal. It's not music. Slow down. If you think of AI and somebody says AI, your brain hits a wall and you just stop thinking, just throw that out there. I understand the sentiment. I'm an artist as well. Now, here's the thing. I don't use AI in my music. Maybe mixing down sound levels. That's about it. We have to understand the applications of AI before we can fully judge AI, because if you don't, then you'll miss the opportunity to elevate your music career with AI. Why? This is why. Because AI does more than just make music. Sounds like it makes music. It can write your press release, create social media posts. It can do your artwork for your cover, for your flyer, if you know how to use it. You don't want to do that. Most artists are not concerned with trying to make their own album cover, or maybe you don't have the money to get a professional artist to design one for you. Maybe you can't edit that photo. It is almost perfect and it's just not the way you want it. Nobody can write your press release for you because they're just not getting it right. AI can do that for you. It can work as a team, management, promotion, publicists, the things that you don't want to do to get your music heard, and the services you can't afford to get your music heard. It can provide an outlet to make that happen. Realize AI has been in the music industry and other industries before we heard about it in this manner of making music or trying to replace the artist, right? Let's back up a little bit. Every kind of technology that comes out is utilized by everyone, criticized before it gets adopted. When writing came out, Socrates once said, you don't want to write things down. Why? Because if you write things down, it'll inspire forgetfulness, right? But you have to argue, if you never wrote anything down, there wouldn't be computers, there wouldn't be cars, there wouldn't be stock markets, there wouldn't be constitutions, there wouldn't be a lot of things. Because writing down enables all of that to happen. Because you don't just write words, you write code for software, you write music notes for playing it on an instrument. And writing down has become one of the necessary elements in society that makes society function. So writing stuff down is a good thing. When the calculator came out, people were like, you can't use the calculator. It's going to make you stupid. Maybe it has for some people. No judgment. But you got to admit, calculator comes in handy. When cars came out, people thought, why would I want a car? I have a horse. If you're still riding around horses on the freeway, you might get arrested or thrown in a crazy house. When the light bulb came out, people said, how does that work? My God, is there lightning in a bottle? And people said, I'm not going to adopt electricity because that's the devil. You're controlling the nature and function of God. Who are you, Satan? If you have candles in 2026 to light up your house, maybe you can't afford electricity. Maybe you're squatting. Maybe you're just old school. Light in every room. It allows you to participate in community in a normal way. We have MIDI, that's AI. We have Auto-Tune, that's AI. We have Pro Tools, that's AI. We have Logic, that's AI. We have Ableton, that's AI. The definition of AI is supposed to be doing repetitive tasks that humans do so you can focus on bigger, important things. If you were to sit there and do a Pro Tools session and have to play that drum loop with a drum set every single take, you recorded your song over a record, you may not want to do that. If you had to do anything that you do in normal recording manually, you wouldn't like that. You can have a simple definition of artificial intelligence. Anytime you see that happening, that's artificial intelligence. That's the basics. You can't create unless you have a seed of something to grow with and from, because you're combining different independent inspirations, elements, and creating a harmonic unity of a cohesive sound, whether it's instrumental, whether it's a poem, whether it's a song, anything. That's what harmony is. Harmony is life, the togetherness of things and unity that breathe inspiration, that breathe movement. And how you achieve that sound from your head to everybody's ears, the best way possible is to do it with the tools that allow you to do so. AI is one of those tools people are taking advantage of to make music, to do things, to exploit the music industry sometimes to make money with. Now, I don't endorse that. Do some people use AI because they can write their ass off, but they can't sing, they can't rap? Yes. Does that make them any less of a musician? Who knows? Because there can be a real writer out there. They just can't sing, but they've been writing forever. Not the guy that just does a little bit of writing just in his free time and just dabbles. We're not talking about the hobbyists. We're talking about the professional. I fully think that if you make music, it sounds good. People like it. They don't have to like it, but people do. And it's just something about your music, no matter how you make it.